Good morning or afternoon, depending on when you're watching this. This is Yoli again. I don't know how many times you're supposed to introduce yourself in these videos, but you never know. So today, remember, we're getting ready for this cross-country trip, riding up Florida and catching the TAT, the Trans-American Trail, over in Oklahoma, and then cutting our way across the West Coast to go to the national parks that are there and just enjoy the wildlife and the sceneries and all the beauty that's out there. Today I did grocery shopping. All of this here in my mind is going on this trip with us. Yes indeed. Yep. So I guess we'll see how everything will fit. I figured, we definitely want meat, ground beef, steak, chicken. These sausages are pretty tasty, and my son likes them. Remember, my son is a 1.5 years old, so I have to cater to what he likes. He also, and who doesn't, like bacon. Got wraps so that we can make little tacos. We can make tacos out of any of these meats. Tomatoes, eggs for the breakfast. We got these rice, they're Uncle Ben's, and they're very tasty, and you just have to add a little bit of hot water and they're ready in no time. So that is going to save me at least 20 minutes of cook time on just rice, so I can maybe just focus on the meat and anything else. My kid loves Danimals. I feel like all of them do, and goat. So I have to see. I got these two options because the Danimals and they're packaged differently. So depending on how they fit in the fridge. Cheese, ham. Well, this is rotisserie seasoned chicken breast, which we prefer than the ham. It's very tasty. Lollipops, since we just gave our son Tristan a lollipop the other day for the first time, and he really liked these. Don't know if I mentioned already, but we got oatmeal for the quick days when we have to eat breakfast on the go. We got the ziti and the bow ties. I already had pasta, the regular pasta, so I left that in the, already in the drawer. These again for like a quick lunch, but a breakfast on the days that we don't want to do oatmeal. I got these because I don't usually drink American coffee, but it's too much trouble to take my Cuban, it's just a lot of trouble to take our Hispanic coffee. So I'm gonna put this in the American coffee that Rudy drinks, and hopefully that'll taste good. Roll-ups, see if my kid likes those. Oreos, because we all love Oreos. Crackers, these crackers, my son likes crackers, and these are like easily packaged. You gotta get beef jerky on a road trip. And oven roasted almonds, dark chocolate. These are really tasty. It's a nice healthy snack, and it'll probably keep us a little full on the days that we're driving in a lot. Pringles for my child. Pam. Almond milk for my child. And the pasta sauces and soy sauce. Of course, the coffee. And then the veggies, and my son likes these. So yeah, a lot of it is because of what my son likes. A lot of it is because of what we need, for dinner and lunch. And then all of this is supposed to fit in our ARB fridge in this bad boy. So we've had this, and it's been great for a while now. It doesn't look like it fits much, but it does. So the plan is to chop up all the veggies and put them in these Ziploc bags. We got this container for the eggs so they don't break. This mason jar for my breast milk, because I will be pumping on this trip. And then the plan is to put all the meats here. So the bacon, the ground beef, the chicken, and the steak. And nicely stacked, it all fits just on this one side here. And then once you fill these up, it'll probably reach up to here. So that leaves this side for the little man's yogurt, his milk, you know, we gotta see what else is on the cold side here. And then this part of the fridge is actually meant to be for the things that don't need to be so cold. It looks like empty. Let's see how this goes. All right, this is what it looks like, fully stashed with a lot of stuff. You can't go anywhere without these yogurts for the kids. You know, everything I went over in the earlier part of the video is actually in here. All the meat that I bought, the steak, the ground beef. There's actually a little bit more room up here than I anticipated. So I am going to put more water, because you can never go wrong with water. So I will be, I want to make sure the eggs don't get too squished. So we have 9 waters. We have the milk for the baby, the yogurts, the juices, all the meats that we're gonna need, all the veggies that we're gonna need, tortillas, eggs, cheese, and that deli chicken that I showed you, and then the container for the milk for my breast milk. So this is it for the filling up of the fridge for our trip. The dry goods are looking good. I think everything will fit in the plastic bin. So voila.